This is the dining hall kitchen tutorial. Watch this entire video. You will not get any skips or any checks for the dining room. So don't fuck up. I'm doing this once. Okay, starting things off, you can follow me around. Starting things off, we're gonna do a quick tour. This is how everything is supposed to look as it is. So you work your way over here and yes, this is how the dining room is supposed to look. So when you're cleaning the dining room, you start from top to bottom. You start off by wiping the tables. I'll show you how, where to get those supplies in a second. Start off by wiping the tables, taking all dishes over here and at this back counter over there to the back kitchen, and I'll show you where to put those in a second. Start by wiping all the tables down. Then you get a dry rag and you dry the tables down completely dry, because these seats are cloth seats and it's not good for it. It's gonna stick and it's gonna be gross. When the tables are completely dry, you put the chairs on the tables like so, on all the tables. Then you will go in and sweep with a broom and a dustpan. Sweep the whole kitchen into piles, dump them into the trash can, then you can begin mopping. So I'm gonna show you where those supplies are now.
All right, we're now at the closet. You have your mop bucket, your broom, your dustpan, your clean rags, and your dirty rags. Once you're done wiping the tables clean and then dry, you put the rags in the dirty pile. Once you're done with the mop, you empty it and you put it back in its place, along with the dustpan and the broom. Hello, we've now reached the first floor supply closet. This is where you'll fill your mop bucket with hot water. Only hot water, because cold one won't wash the bacteria away. Once you're done mopping, you then dump the mop bucket in there.
The mop bucket and the mop do not stay in here. They go back to that closet we just showed you.
Hello. Once you've filled up your mop bucket, you're going to want to fill it up with this sanitizing one. Not the red one or the yellow one, but the green one. Also, this is where you'll find the sanitizer for the sanitizing bucket. All you got to do is throw in some sanitizer and a little bit of water, and you'll have the perfect mixture for a clean table.
Oh hey, now that you know how to clean the fucking tables and mop now we're gonna talk about putting away food in the ice machine, refilling up the ice machine, replacing trash bags, and cleaning that milk tray. So follow me. This is the salad bar. 1 p.m. kitchen. The salad bar goes away at 1 p.m. You could do that by getting one of these trays, these lids. You can find that in the back kitchen. Easy to find. I'm not going to show you, but you can find those lids in the back kitchen. Put it on top of the salad. Goes in the fridge. Along with the salad condiments that will be here, there's going to be a lot. You'll also find small lids for that as well. And you put lids on those as well, along with the tongs. And they go in the fridge as well. At 1 p.m. 1 p.m. kitchen does that at 1 p.m. Also 1 p.m. the food goes away at 3 p.m. This isn't that confusing. 1 p.m. kitchen puts away food at 3 p.m. And if one of you guys fucks that up, that's a check for all of you guys on 1 p.m. So one of you guys needs to set an alarm, a timer, to put the food away at 3 p.m. And you put lids on it as well, like I just showed you earlier. Moving on this way, this is the this is the soda machine, not the ice machine. But you'll take this lid off, like so. You'll check and see how much ice is in it. And there's a step stool ladder over there in this corner. And just check it. Needs ice, follow me. This is what we call an ice machine. That is the ice bucket you will use to refill the soda machine with ice. Open it, grab the big scooper right here, scoop a shit ton of ice into that bucket, go on the step stool, pour it in, do that about 5 times until it's about 4/5 of the way full. And then trash bags are fucking self-explanatory. Just change them just change the trash bags if they're over like half full. You'll be able to eyeball it. There's 1, 2, and there's 2 more in the back kitchen. You'll see them. I'll show you where the trash bags are. Trash bags will be right there. For cleaning the milk tray, as you can see, it's gross and milky. You will simply remove it. You just lift it up and it comes right off. You take it to the back kitchen. And then you will rinse it off. Thought I lost you there for a sec. Now that we're done with the dining hall, this is the back kitchen demo. So, start things off when you're done eating your food and you're taking your dirty dishes to the back table or back kitchen. Silverware goes in here, and only silverware goes on this area. Dirty dishes go in these 2 sinks. This is Tori's sink. You don't need to do anything. This is where stuff soaks. You don't need to touch it. She'll deal with it. Don't even fucking look at it. So when doing dishes, this is the dirty row. This is the dirty side of the sink. And this is the clean side of the sink. Nothing dirty goes over here ever. Not even dirty hands when putting dishes away. So we'll do a quick demo of how to do dishes and what you will be doing when doing dishes. Oh, we have some dirty dishes right here. Let's take a look. Take the dirty dishes to the dirty row of the sink and start cleaning. Give it a good rinse. Apply to the tray like so. Slide it over here. Shut it, and it will start going. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll know when it's done. It'll do a little click and stop doing its thing. And then you will open it, remove it, and there's your dirty dishes. Oh, looks like our dishes are done. When putting away dirty dishes, oh shit, it looks like our dishes are done. So, when putting away dishes, the dishwasher does not put away the dishes because their hands are fucking dirty. You will have someone out there with clean hands. They will wash their hands, or they will get some gloves up here, up there, and put away the dishes. So you take your dishes, follow me. And you set them on the rack like so. So we have a lot of cups here, but see how they're all like sort of one, not stacked, but one at a time. And especially these bowls, stack the bowls like this, because you're supposed to let those dishes on the clean row dry for at least like 5 minutes, which you'll have time for. But when you take them here, they're still gonna be a little wet. And we stack them like this so they don't stick and get water stains. Plates are a different story. It's kind of hard to avoid, but stack them like this. And don't stack these cups. These cups are stacked because they're dry, but you get the point. So along with your dishes cleaning process, silverware that are in there go into this tray. This is where you will put all your silverware one by one, like just a handful it in. Spray it down into the dishwasher, and then you put them away like so. Obviously let it dry for like 5 minutes and then put them away. You guys should know where that is. Scrubby sponges are located under the sink. That's for like hard, grimy shit that won't come off with the little fucking jet blaster there. Use those. Okay, so you put the dishes away. You know how to do that now. See this rack of all of these like special kitchen dishes? Come over here. There's a picture right here of how they're all supposed to look, and you'll be able to figure it out from there. Say hi to the video, Tim.
Hi, video.
All right. And when you are done with dishes, the sink is going to look like shit and there's going to be water in it. See these two levers? This, well, you'll figure it out. I don't actually know which way, but this drains it and this clogs the drain, which allows you to get water in it and start soaking it. Along with that, when you're done with dishes here, you will wipe all the excess water along this area into the sink so it's not just a bunch of standing water. And then obviously there's 2 trash cans here, replace those with bags in it. You guys know where the bags are, they're right here. And you'll also mop back here as well with the mop bucket, but that's obvious. Also, when mopping the back kitchen, make sure to really mop under these areas because they get really gross and really dirty. Under all of them. Doesn't take too much time. And that should be it for mopping back kitchen. When these are low, refill soap dispensers. You know where to find the soap, hopefully. Paper towels. You can find paper towels here in this box. And yeah, sweet mop, paper towels. This is Tori's bathroom. Make sure to do this as well. If she's running low on paper or toilet paper, paper towels in there, or paper towels right here, and soap. She will also have, sometimes she will have a shit ton of boxes laid out around here, empty boxes. You will also have to throw those away in the dumpster. A lot of people forget that, don't forget it. This cart as well. This cart you could use for dishes, and she also uses it to drag the food out. Make sure you also clean this cart as well with one of those rags. Okay, so you are done with dishes. Now you need to wrap up the washing machine or the dishwasher. So, in order to do that, come over here. There might be a bunch of crud and shit in here. I got all the camera over here. And what you guys are gonna have to do is take out this little sifter drain. It just pulls up by the lever. You have to move it around and rinse it off with this. Once that's rinsed off, you'll see there's a lot of water here. This lever is the drain for this water. It'll accumulate up. Just simply lift up, and it will start to drain. And there's actually a latch you can find where it'll stay on. Whatever. But it's draining. There we go, it's completely drained. As you can see, there's a rogue spoon down there that's not supposed to be there. Take that spoon out. And you're also gonna grab this thing. It's hot right now, but you're gonna grab it. Fucker. grab this, rinse it off as well, place it back. Okay, so once you get these all back in there, there's 2 of them. You're gonna shut this, not all the way, you don't wanna do a new load. And then you're gonna press this button. It's off right now, we already shut it off. But literally this switch is what you'll press to turn it off. And that's what you will do during 6 p.m. kitchen when you are done with everything. When you're done with dishes and everything. Okay, so the machine in the morning at 6 a.m. kitchen should be completely off if the person at 6 p.m. kitchen did their fucking shit correctly. So what you're gonna do is you're not gonna mess with this dial at all. Don't touch it. Just simply turn it on. Then you're gonna open it and you're going to close it with nothing in it, and that's gonna like prime it and get it ready. You have to let it run and get water flowing through it. But that's all you have to do to turn on the wash machine to get it ready for 6 a.m. And 6 a.m. kitchen is like the same as all the other kitchens. So that's it for kitchen. Fucking like and subscribe. Go to bed.